Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure the same bank account is linked to both your Cash App and PayPal accounts. Cash App and PayPal do not support direct transfers between each other. So, the money must first pass through your linked bank account. Next, open the Cash App and tap the bank icon at the bottom left. Here, then tap on Withdraw or Cash Out button below your balance. Enter the amount you want to transfer and tap Cash Out. After that, choose your preferred transfer speed. If you want to avoid transfer fees, select Standard, which typically transfers the money to your linked bank account within 1 and 3 business days. If you need the money immediately, you can choose Instant, which usually charges a fee. Once the transfer to your bank account is complete, open the PayPal app and tap on your PayPal balance. Then select Add Money from Bank. Enter the same amount that you transferred from Cash App, review the details, and follow the on-screen instructions to move the funds from your linked bank account into your PayPal balance. After the transfer is processed, the money will appear in your PayPal balance, and you can use it for payments, transfers, or other PayPal transactions. And that's it! So that's basically how you can transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.